A lot of things apparently I couldn't afford until I joined YouTube, right? When I mean I couldn't afford it like personally by myself. I have to either rely on a sister, a brother, a boyfriend as at that time, and now a husband. So you can see that I have to basically rely on people for them to get me this thing done. And at some point, I feel like, it's boring whenever you're always telling this person, oh, give me, give me, give me. All you do is give me, and you're not adding up to that thing. You understand? But when I joined YouTube, and I started making money. You see, most of these things, I started affording them like without being able to like ask someone. Like when I see what I want to go for it, I just go for it. Just like this one on my neck right now, right? If you know what it is what it is. Let's put it inside first, right? And why am I doing this? Or why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because you need to start up a YouTube channel. You get? And if you've not started on YouTube, this 2025, I don't know the year you will start. Like I can basically afford things by myself without having to even ask my husband. And one day my husband just looked at me and he was like, do you know I'm blessed to have you in my life? I was like, why did you say you are blessed to have me in your life? He was like, I love the fact that you don't go anywhere. You just basically sit one place and you're making your money. You understand? There are some things that before my husband will even say, or before I will even ask, I'll just be like, I have the money, let me just go and do it. I'll just basically just do it. It doesn't mean that if I ask, he's not going to give me, right? He's going to give me, but that freedom as a woman of basically doing things myself without having to ask is very, very nice and it's very, very sweet. So apparently, coming to the ending of last year, my husband was changing basically everything, most of the things in the house, the beddings and every other stuff. And he never talked about my kitchen, right? So to him, he feel like, I beg, nothing to change. I did not say anything, jejely. I have my money. I went and I bought my kitchen things. You get, I got my spice rack and other fine, fine things that you're seeing in my kitchen that is glittering. And when he came back, I set my kitchen. When he came back, I was like, wow, wow, wow. And I was like, you're always concerned about your bedroom, your sitting room, and every other stuff that you want to buy. Like he even changed the TV and the rest of that. And you never talked about anything about my kitchen, but I personally did it myself. And he was so proud, when I mean so, so proud of me, right? So this is the kind of joy you are going to get, and this is the kind of joy you can actually pass to your spouse, your partners, when you're doing things without even having to ask. You get? I don't necessarily need to wait and be like, I need to send money to my parents. Should I send or should I not send? If I have, I just send. You understand? So it is a major reason for you as someone that is married, right? That is looking at this video, that is watching me, to start up a YouTube channel. You understand? If you want to train your kids, you can comfortably sit down in the house and be doing that. And even if you're a dad, right? You can comfortably sit in the house and also be doing what you know how to do best. You get what I'm trying to say? If at this point, God forbid, it's not my husband's portions, right? If at this point my husband don't even have a job that can put food on our table, I think with what I am also earning, I can also try my best to put food on our table. And since my husband has a job and I also have what I'm doing, two big head joined together, what do you think is going to be? It's going to be like massive, massive investment and massive blowing. You understand? So that's why when people see me now and they be like, marriage has changed everything. It's not all about marriage has changed everything. It's what I am also able to bring on the table as a woman. What I am also to provide on the table as a woman. Even without my husband asking. Sometimes I just go out of my way and I'll just buy something. I'll say that this one is just for you. What do you think about this? And they'll be like, what? Imagine I am not earning from YouTube. Imagine I don't have apps and website that I just do one or two things with. So instead of sitting down, lazing about, don't know what to do at all, or you are just being confused, or you feel like, oh, you can't do anything basically on YouTube, please go and do YouTube. A 66 years old woman, like I'm so proud of that woman. I will keep talking about that woman. She registered for my YouTube coaching class. That woman brought out hard-earned $50 to register just because she said she heard people are making money from YouTube and she also needs to make money from YouTube. And guess what? This woman is not just a small person. I need to sit down. This woman, right? She's not small. This woman based in London. And she was like, Sonia, I've heard about you. Someone recommended me to you. And I'm coming to Nigeria, right? I want you to coach me. Let me get all the information I need to get before I go back to US. And when I was like asking her, why did you choose YouTube? And she was like, I choose YouTube because people are making money from YouTube and I also need to make money. This is someone that is comfortable for Canada. Person within London for how many years of her life? Her husband is doing well here. They have their own duplex and everything. Does she even need to bother herself? But she saw a means. She did not even tell herself that, oh, I am too old to do YouTube. Her what place 66 years old woman? Nah. And I told her, whether do or die, I fail. You see this your YouTube journey. As far as you are ready to start, we are going to join heads together by the grace of God because it's not by my grace. And we're going to make sure that YouTube channel stands. So you don't have any complaint. Like if you check my community post, you see that I posted her on my community and I asked people to go and help me subscribe to her channel. This is because her zeal. You know the beautiful part? I even asked her to film a video for me. If it's someone, they'll be like, I just said, why would I need to film a video? She said, no, Sonia, my hair is this. I said, wear face cap and film the video. And she wore face cap and she filmed that video. Like she's ready to adhere to instruction. She did not even see me as someone that is not even up to her level. Because wait till I don't achieve for this life, nothing. But she humbled herself. She did not even see me as a daughter. Her daughter is even older than me. But she still took that time. Anytime I said she always tell me, my coach. Even I call her mama, my coach. And you are there. You are looking at me. You just have one baby. You never even born. You just marry. Or you are single. You are 20-something. You are 30-something. You don't want to start YouTubing. Like this 2025, you don't want to start YouTube. If you don't have any reasons to start YouTube, use this my reason to start YouTube. Use this my reason to start YouTube so that even that guy that is looking at you will be proud of you. That guy, where they look you like you are a nobody, he will be proud of you. You can start earning and you're not earning much. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you're earning something. Or you can start, you've not started earning. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you have started something. And there is nothing you start that you go back to square zero. There's nobody that have started on YouTube that will go back to square zero. It cannot work. You know they work. I know how much I put in buying this. I know how much. Like sometimes if I even want to go out, I'll just remove it and keep one side. You understand? But this is me. I cannot just always say, oh, every time it's my husband. If I keep doing my husband, at some point, himself go frustrate now. I'm going to talk through small. When I will be guys in the house, Mona let me know. But I do my thing. He do his own part for me as his beautiful wife and a lovable one for that matter. And I do my own part for him as well as my handsome, cute husband and my sweet, lovable husband. You understand? And together we are happy. Family is growing. Family is just like, how was the quarter? Where's the quarter coming from? He's earning also earning my own parts. He loves me, I love him. So just go and look for something better to do with your life. Get apps and website. Do YouTubing. And trust me, you will not regret it. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. With no further ado, I will say bye now. See you guys in my next one. Do YouTube. You go profiter. You go gain. Bye-bye.